Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be adopting a new puppy or dog, either way, for my house. So let's get into the video. So guys, I am so excited to get a new dog. I have been wanting one for a while, and I'm going to be getting one at one of the local shops in town called the Puppy Place. So yeah, let's go pack my bag for that. So guys, I just got here and now, hi, where are the puppies? Oh, they're over there in the pen. There's a couple different options for you to choose from. And when you're done and pick out one, you can come back. Okay, well, thank you. Okay, well guys, I am so excited. I have been wanting a puppy for so long, and oh my, they are so cute. Okay, but I honestly can only get one, so we better narrow it down to a couple choices. So they are all very cute. So I think I'll start at the far side over here. And this little fluffy one, I don't know if you guys can see it, but he is so adorable. Aw, he's so fluffy. And this one is that's interesting. I I think that's a cat, or I don't even know if it's an actual pet, but let's head on to the next dog. Okay, anyways, off of that topic, let's keep looking. So, oh my, this one is so adorable. I think I made my choice because that one is just so adorable. And if you guys don't know, pineapple is my favorite fruit. And so I think this is my choice. He is so adorable. And by the way, if you guys want him too, he is part of one of the Friday gifts, I believe. So yeah. Okay, well, I think I made a decision on my dog, so yeah. Okay, well, you can show me which one you're thinking of, and is it this one? Yeah, that brown one right there. Okay, I'll just come in here and grab him, walk through here, and so now we can just head back over to my desk and get all the paperwork and payment and all that, so yeah. Okay, so the payment will show how much you have to pay on the little thing right there. Okay, I'll just grab out my credit card, and did it go through? Okay, yes, it went through. So now you just have to do this paperwork right here. Oh, here, sorry. So you just take that, and then there's a pen right here, and so when you finish filling that out, then you can, yeah, I'll take it back. Okay, shouldn't be too much. Okay, never mind. That was a lot of stuff, but here, you can have it back now, if I can, okay. Okay, well, that you're all set, so you can just take your dog now and go. So, yeah. Okay, well, thank you so much. Come on, little doggy. I'll have to think of a name for him, but thank you. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And by the way, I had so much fun getting my new dog. I decided on a name. Her name is going to be Lilac. So, yeah. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.